Hey creators, welcome back. In the next video of our video production journey, we have covered a lot so far, from the fundamentals of storytelling to getting the perfect shot that you always want. Today we are taking up a notch. We are diving deep into the advanced techniques that can elevate your production and make your videos truly stand out. This video will be divided in 3 acts. Every act of this video will completely change the way you approach video production, completely change everything. Trust me. And that leads us to the first act, setting the stage and what's next. In this video, we're moving into some exciting theory techniques that took me years to master, but once you grab them, they can make all the difference in your content. Today, I'm going to show you 3 advanced production techniques that can take your projects from average to exceptional. Get ready, because this is where things really start to get interesting. You have seen the basis, but now we are going to explore the layers of creativity that professional creators use to grab attention and hold it. This thing leads us to the second act of this video, the deep dive advanced techniques. The first technique we are going to explore is multi-camera setups. This is perfect for interviews, events, or any content where you need to capture multiple angles without breaking the flow. We'll look at how to set up your camera efficiently and how to edit these shots to create a dynamic and engaging sequence. Multi-camera setups let you control the pacing of your video like never before. Whether you're capturing a conversation or action, switching between shots keeps your audience engaged. Did you see that? How this technique improved this whole video only with just changing the shots between my phone and my camera. This technique that I'm using now is called 50-50 shot. We'll dive deep in these shot techniques in the upcoming system that I have produced for you. Next, let's talk about drone shots and how aerial footage can add a cinematic flair to your videos. We'll dive into how to plan and execute the perfect drone shot that not only looks incredible, but enhance your story. It's not just about getting shots from the sky. It's about using those shots to elevate your story and create moments that capture emotions and awe. The third advanced technique that we'll cover today will instantly improve every video that you will make, and that will be the best video you ever made. But the third advanced technique that we'll cover today is color grading. Color grading completely change the tone and emotion of your video. I will walk you through how I approach color correction to give my footage that professional cinematic look. Getting the colors right just add depth to your story. It's subtle but powerful tool that separates great video from the rest. And finally, third act of this video, bringing it all together. So, now that we have covered these advanced techniques, let's bring it all together. Creating professional level content is about combining everything we have learned so far: storytelling, camera animation techniques, editing, and now these more advanced methods to craft something truly unique. Trust me, you are going to see massive difference in your videos once you have start applying these techniques. But we're not done yet. There's so much more to uncover, and I can't wait to share what's next. We're only scratching the surface of what's possible, so keep pushing forward, keep experimenting, and get ready for what's coming next. As always, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notifications. We got even more exciting insights, and we are building community and system that will make all the difference in the strongest community of powerful video editors. If you don't watch the last video, here's one of them, and be sure that my system that I am building will unlock the things that all these editors in the world are hiding from you. See you next time.